The Resparked Customizer Engraving Pen is basically a rebranded dropshipping product, not a unique gadget. It's the same pen you see on Amazon under names like this one, 2B, No One, Engraving Pen. Same motor, same design, same specs, just repackaged and sold at a higher price. Just observe this screen with a button. This one is red, and the one with the Respark brand is colored orange. It works okay for light hobby engraving on wood, leather, or soft metals. Don't expect professional results on glass or hard metal. It struggles and wears down quickly. The premium customization claims are mostly marketing hype. Bottom line, it's fine as a casual craft tool, but you are paying extra for a brand name and flashy site. You get the same performance from the generic Amazon version for less.